Hello, hi, namaste, sat sri akal. This will be my first video related to United Kingdom Stock Exchange. This stock falls under the category of FTSE 100. I'm doing my this one technical analysis on Indian Stock Exchange. I have my other YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, which I have almost 1,300 plus subscriber. So this will be my first video in this YouTube channel. This is my new YouTube channel. It will include UK Stock Exchange as well as it will include Forex. Soon I will be uploading a new stock exchange related stocks. So basically what I do, just I follow a stocks which is technically strong, or either I do a trade on breakout or either do a trade on support. Okay. So this is in front of you. This is 3i Group PLC United Kingdom. So if anybody knows about technical chart, so you will aware of it, how does technical chart works. It will either work on breakout or either it works on support or either there is a formation which you find. There is multiple formation which are in the technical chart. So in this chart, the current market price means last closing on 24 December 2020 is 1157. Okay. So this what you see it's in channel. So channel always have a two line which is upper trend line. This is the basic stuff which usually see first time. Those who are aware of the technical chart, they should aware of this one, what is this exactly. But those who don't know, just I'm telling in a short. Channel always work in a parallel line which has to be upper trend line and it has to be a lower trend line. So this three app group PLC which have upper trend line, this is the channel. Okay, and this is a lower trend line. So as of now, you just focus on these two channel which I'm making dark. So you should know, because there are other lines also which I will be explaining a bit later. Okay, for example, not example, there is a brown line and there is a blue line. So what you see in this chart is there is a strong resistance. Resistance means, it has to break above the resistance for any further up move. Okay, so if anybody holding this stock, it has to break 1185 to 1195 around. It has to break and it has to sustain for few days. At least it has to be stay for 2 to 3 working days, 2 to 3 EOD, that is end of the day. Okay, so what is end of the day? If you don't know anyone, you can see there is a multiple top here. Okay, I will just make a design here. Design, this is eclipse. This is a top which you see. This is a top means always it comes on the top side, means on a higher side. Bottom is always comes on a bottom side. Okay, so this is a basic which I am trying to explain. If anybody aware of it, just try to avoid it. Otherwise, just take as an basic. So you can see here in 22 February 2020, it has a made top of 1186. Okay, where you see this oval shape, and this is the other one which it made around bottom, which I will explain a bit later on if I go for different time frame. This is in 18 March 2020, which made low of 597.80. So if you see, there is a 50% correction done already on this stock, and doesn't take that much time. It take hardly 3 months for correction. So anybody who have this stock, anybody holding this stock, so this is the important level which I mentioned earlier. It has to be break above 1185 to 1195. If break above that one, there will be another target which I will be showing you as an immediate. Okay, so before showing an another target means possible move which it is possible to go or upside, I will show you this support which I will just making it dark. Pardon my English, I'm just trying to get better and better. So anyway, this I'm just making it dark so you can see. So I will go into another time frame now, which you are seeing it's daily time frame. I will go on weekly time frame to show in a much larger time frame, so you will know what I'm telling. So this is what you see is a weekly time frame. Okay, so just I will tell you in your basic, this line is support is always on the lower side. Okay, this line is support. Okay, and this is another line which is brown in color. This is always a resistance which we call top in technical terms. You see there is a multiple top which is in weekly, so I will just extend this oval shape. You can see this is a weekly top. Okay, so weekly top is always already coming here on this side. That's why I said it is an important resistance. It has to close around which level already I mentioned earlier. It has to close above that for further any up move. So already I mentioned as in resistance. Now I will show you what does support have. In this video, there is a watermark which I always make my other videos also, which I'm making the Indian Stock Exchange related all the stocks. So this is my blog, which I'm doing blogging almost 4 years, and this is my Twitter handle. So this is in short summary about me. You will find detail which you will go below this video in description box. So anyway, so this is the support which I'm mentioning. Okay, and as I said earlier, I already not already I'm doing a trade on breakout or either on support. So this what you call a breakout, blue one, and this time frame is monthly time frame. You can see here M always stand for monthly. You go for W stand for weekly. You see 1D that stand for 1 day. So each candle is 1 day, and now this is a monthly time frame. So this each candle is in monthly time frame. So this 3i Group PLC, this is a monthly breakout. You see, this is monthly breakout. I will just show you the time frame also. Maybe you can see this the monthly time frame on 2007, and this is another breakout, which not another, there is a breakout happen in this stock is here. You see this one. So this breakout happened on 2017, so almost 10 years. So when the stocks break out from here, you see there is a growth or almost, if you I will calculate 775. I'm not going any exact figure, I'm just going for, like, round figure 775. It has stopped almost 1190, so almost it reaches to 30 to 40% growth. So before this blue line act as a resistance means again it has to break, then only you call a breakout trade, which I'm mentioning here. This is the blue one. Wait, I'll just draw an arrow. This is earlier what we call a resistance. Now there is a breakout here. Now what happened before there is a breakout? In technical term, I'm using a technical term in breakout. If you are uncomfortable or if you find any difficulties, you can ask me in comment section. I will try to answer it. Okay, so now this previous resistance now acting as a support. You see this oval which I'm extending a bit, so now it acting as a support. So though that's the reason maybe this stock bounce from this level. Try to remove that oval. This is again a monthly time frame. So this is the reason which you see there is a monthly. So one candle, you see that is a monthly. Okay, this candle which I'm on right now, this is April. So on a daily chart you see it's going down, but on a monthly to monthly basis it has closed above that resistance level, which is 764. So that's the reason when you have any stock or when you want to take any investment in any stock, you have to see this kind of things. Where is your early support, where you find a support, and where you found a resistance. So till now what, those who are holding this stock, it has to break above this brown level, which I already mentioned, here. This is a brown line, it has to break. So this is what I try to understand. I try to make understand that it has to be resistance and support. So I will go on daily time frame again. So I thought I'm just thinking that I explain each and every line which I have drawn. I basically work on trend line. I use RSI and MAC. It's lagging indicator, so I use on the lagging indicator only. So once it closes above 1185 to 95, there is only chances for a possible up move. So we go on a new target. I will just make like this. Okay, no, not like this way. So better to draw that shape which I drawn shape on a weekly time frame rather than drawing shape. That shape which I draw earlier, it was, I like that shape. But anyway, I will just tell you the target, what is possible target. Again, this is a weekly time frame. As you can see, this is a weekly time frame. So just I have started from daily, I go for weekly, I go for monthly. When you see a daily, weekly, monthly, you will see where is next resistance and next support. So this is will be easier for you trade. So it has to close for a weekly time frame, weekly basis. If I will see this RSI and MAC, RSI is going flatter. Okay, so there is a possible divergence which we can see. Again this is a technical term. Divergence means it is a negative divergence. You can see here, you see this this is a MAC which I am using below. This is MAC and this is RSI. MAC is going down, that is means a negative divergence. So it has to close above, it has to close at least 1 or 2 weeks for further any up move. So if it close about that level 185 to 195, then you can see in this stock almost 1300. So possible from 1195, there is a possible around 1400. Okay, there is a 1400 you can get in this stock. The time frame, actually I don't have any idea regarding this one. So anyone holding this stock, So important level, it has to close above this brown, which I already mentioned level. If close above, you can see this stock near to medium term around 13 to 1400, because again this is a chart which almost all time frame breakout. So you can expect this target near to medium term. Okay, and again this is not a buy a sell recommendation. I usually tell my Indian stock exchange, I'm not registered anything about you. So this is my disclaimer at the end of this video. Disclaimer, this is disclaimer which I posted on my blog. You can read in a detail. Again, this is the video only for educational purpose. I do usually everything in technical terms. So hope you understand this video. Hope you like this video. If you like, do share it and do give it a thumbs up. Thank you.